All right. Good evening, folks. One quick check with the AV. Are we good here? Able to see me and hear me? Hello, Yashika. Hello, Varsha. Just give me one heads up if we are good here with the AV. Yes. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Yeah. So once again, it's good to be back here to talk to you folks. Having a live session audible. Yeah. All good. Thank you. So every time we start a batch, every time we do it, we also run a parallel track where we talk about, we have a free batch, we run it on YouTube, we give one bunch of topics. So this is all about our next free batch, which is going to be CAT Core Concepts 2026. So this is a batch once again where this is a series where we again do one set of topics. We run through all the essential parts over there. We talk about the basics of a topic. We do intermediate questions and probably some challenging questions, CAT level questions as well. So this is all about that. And once again, this is a batch exclusively in English. So you will happen to see all the sessions happening in English. That's the key, right? So you look at the batch features now. Once again, you will be covering CAT and OMETs, which is obvious. We keep doing it over and again. And the language will be completely in English. That's the key here. That's the most important thing. Sometimes we also happen to see people expecting the class to be in English, Hindi and English. But once again, this batch is exclusively going to be in English, right? As usual, unlimited playback live lectures. You attend the class live. In case if you missed that class or you had to sign off midway through a session, you get unlimited playback on that batch. Once again, you can watch it as many times as you want at your comfort, at your desktop. Now go to the annotated class notes. That's again, every time you attend a class, sometimes you miss out on notes and you are looking for some reference points here. We'll give you the class notes and that is at your disposal anytime, anywhere. Talk about daily practice. You also get DPPs for this topic, this batch. So this series will also have some DPPs. You do a class, there will be one set of questions that you will probably have to sit and practice with. And then text solutions will always be there. There are video solutions and then there are text solutions. So as usual, every time we do it in a pattern, it's the same thing over and again. Just that we are going to do another set of topics now. So stay tuned, have a look at that, sign in, sit, learn, do great. Right. Now next, you have to know when does it start and how long does it go. The batch is going to start on 20th April, which is day after tomorrow. You will see the classes go live from in another 2 days from here, every Monday. And then class ends on 8th May and the class batch validity will be that till 27th March. So post your CAT, your MAHCET, whatever exam test that you are preparing for, you will have this at your disposal in your access until all the tests gets over. So which is brilliant now, right? Now, you know the faculty, whoever has been doing classes over here, they will be doing it. You will see Vikrant sir coming in for VARC. You will see Surana sir coming for DILR. And then I'll be doing the quant part as usual. So you know about all of us. So just giving you a glimpse of who is going to do what classes. Then finally, you will have to know the schedule, right? So you will be having classes on every Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. On Mondays, it will be quants. On Wednesday, it will be VARC. On Friday, it will be DILR. The important key thing to note here is every Monday, every Wednesday, every Friday, all these classes will happen at 7 p.m. Usual thing, 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. is what it is scheduled. But hey, you have seen me enough times. You have seen other faculties as well. We don't stick with 1 hour and say, okay, we are giving only content for an hour. Sometimes if needed, it gets extended, which is at a very beneficial point for all of us. So it's going to be 7 to 8, but then we'll slip off and then take some extended time, which is also a good thing for us, right? And then weekly schedule will be shared in your YouTube community channel. Stay tuned. You will get to know all of it. To begin with, on Monday, we are going to start with progressions. We're going to do arithmetic progression, geometric progression, and then we'll be doing assorted bag. We'll look at miscellaneous series. We'll do some complex level questions. You'll get to know the basics of AP, the first class, second class, GP, and then the third class, you'll have a mixed bag. So stay tuned, sign up for it, keep your water bottles, your notes, your pens, everything ready so that you can take value from this. Right. Now, apart from this, there is one more thing that is sitting at our disposal. That is, every time we do it, sometimes people ask, hey, can we have more? Rather than having live sessions, can we also have something that benefits us, that helps us? If you ask that question, or if you have that question in your head, hey, yes. Now we'll start to release recorded video solutions of all topics: conceptual questions, basic questions, moderate questions, and then CAT questions. Now there is also a recorded series that is going to come out very soon. It's going to be from 27th April, the next Monday. And to begin with, we're going to release videos on time, speed, distance. We'll cover every single essential point of TSD in the first few classes. So once that gets over, we'll start focusing on other topics as well. So there's a lot of things coming up, and I'm pretty sure every series, every batch, every recorded video, every live class that we are going to do from here is going to be absolutely helpful and beneficial. So stay tuned, sit, take value from it. I'm quickly just going to look into the question. Varsha is asking, what is the timing? The timings will be at 7 p.m. Varsha once again. Every class, the core concept class batch will happen every day, Wednesday, Friday, Monday, Wednesday and Friday at 7 p.m. 7 to 8 p.m. is scheduled, but then we'll take it a little off track. Not to worry about it. Right. So I'm going to quickly have one look at the questions here. Do we have any questions, any queries? I'm going to attend one set of questions and then we are good to go. Any doubts? Any questions? Yash Rajpath is asking, sir, I have enrolled in a paid batch. What's the difference between a paid batch and a YouTube video? Any change is possible with the timings? Varsha, we have optimized the timing to 7 p.m. We start a little late. There's always one bunch of people who have issues with it. We start early. There's always going to be some set of people who are not comfortable with it. So we had to pick an optimal timing. 7 p.m. seemed to be a better timing as of now. But then we'll have a look at it and see if there are any other timings that will suit us. But as of now, it's going to be at 7 p.m. If there is any notification, any change in it, you will be notified ahead of time. So don't worry about it. Now going back to Yash Rajpan's question, you have enrolled for a paid batch. What's the difference between a paid batch and a YouTube video? Simple. Obviously, with a paid batch, you also get to have access with mocks. That is there. With a paid batch, there are a lot of other opportunities that you have. You get mentorships. Some of the batches you have elite and elite pro batches where you have mentorships happening. You get live CAT taking experience, 2 online and then 2 offline experiences are there. There is mock. You cover up a lot of other things. Of course, any other data that we add to it is at your disposal. When it comes to the YouTube video, you simply sit, attend classes and take stock of it. So it depends on what you want. Some people say, hey, I have got the other parts covered. I just need some reference videos to sit and prepare for this test. Take the YouTube video. If you feel like I need more variety, I am looking at more challenging set of questions and all those things, you go to the paid batch. Now YouTube videos doesn't cover all the aspects of the test, right? Now that's a very limited set of classes that we have. In that particular time, you cover the basics, you probably cover the moderate level questions. You don't attend all type of CAT level questions there. So if you are looking for some challenge, if you are looking for mocks, if you are looking for test taking experience, if you are looking for mentorship, paid batch is the place for you. YouTube batches is only for the class and nothing else, obviously, right? Avarsha is asking, actually there are classes in paid batch at this time. Okay, like in Pioneer English, yes. Some of those classes happen at 7 p.m. I will have a word with those people and then I'll let you know. We'll see if we can make a change in the timing. I get it. I do the other classes at 7 p.m. So you might be having an issue with it. We'll see what we can do about it, Varsha. Point noted. We'll see to it. Rajpant, I think I've answered your question. I've answered you the difference between what a paid batches and a live YouTube classes. Any other questions? Any other points that you have? Anything else? All right then. In that case, that's the end of the story. Stay tuned, stay aware, stay ahead of time, attend the classes, and beat the curve. That's it for the day. Thank you. I'll just see to it if there are any